Good day YouTube. The following video is just an extract of a planned shutdown in our area. Our local energy provider let us know in advance that there's a planned shutdown, and you will see in the following clips they're replacing a power pole more or less across the road from us and a few other cross arms, just rotten insulators in cross arms and the likes. And yeah, it was for me a good excuse to give the generator a proper 9-hour test run. While everybody was without power, we had power in our place, and it was quite good to actually enjoy having lights on and heaters on and other things. So you'll see it in the following clip, and just enjoy. Miserable day today, but tomorrow they're going to replace one of the old power poles here, and that's a brilliant excuse for me to run the generator. This pole is going to get replaced, and new power pole is already in place on the West Lynn feeder, Tidderangi. Here another pole, and that's the top one. Look at the yellow face, sitting pretty under a bad angle. So, I take it they do on the same shutdown, they replace these cross arms because they're pretty monkey, these, on this particular pole. And look in the valley, it's a miserable crap day after like 4 days of beautiful weather. Let's get some Norman Road. So tomorrow we're going to have the outage, we're on street supply still. And tomorrow is the planned outage for a power pole replacement. And I'm going to run on diesel for the day, which is quite nice. That was the replacement meter for the corroded Sangamo S233. Got an email M3I here. And the load is just about 22-23 ampere. That's today, tomorrow time. Okay, the lights have just gone off, perfect. Timing is good. 8 o'clock, go to Excel. The diesel on. This is the walk I do. I just go straight to the work site. Ready to roll. Cold start, energized device.
Bet she's following you.
Transfer the power, Jenny is on. And perfect.
He's supposed to get a muffler with it.
Evan is going to sort it out. Okay, just going to work. You're heading towards the where the valve is being replaced. Chaos. Awesome. Going in the driveway and just enjoying the diesel running while I'm reversing up. pole is installed. The boys are nearly ready. New pole in place. Lights are still out, good. Luc, Luc. Diesel cat. Kom hier, sorry, die was. You're a nice cat, Lucas. The state supply is still off. It's after 5 o'clock now. Take it the crews are running a little bit late, happens sometimes, so I check the clock here. That clock is a few minutes, 2 minutes fast, it's about 7 minutes past 5. But we got power, so all good. Just checking the mains is on the straight, so I'm gonna shut the generator down now and put the house back on the mains. The event from here, I'll just do this slowly, watch how it goes. And over, and we're back on the mains. And I'm gonna shut the Jenny down. Awesome list of power, can't complain. The energized device. Final readings 14.4, 8.6, 11.4. Auxiliary hasn't been used. Yeah. Pilot light is on, so that means that's the mains back on. Close this device up and then we'll do the diesel calculation. Start and finish, red phase, yellow and blue phase. Total 23 kilowatt hours. We use 27 liters of diesel and we're running for 9 hours. 3 liters per hour. It varies of course what loading you put on the device. So here we have the final readings after I shut the generator down. That's 14.4, 8.6, 11.1. That one hasn't moved because that was auxiliary supply, and the white pilot light is on. That means the mains is available. And I got the Hora water, Hora contatore, 1204 hours and 15.6. The way I've wired up the generator in the house, you can see on another video, which is installing the generator. I'll put an I-link in there. So yeah, that's the way it is for now. So this was the dodgy 11 kV insulator and cross arm, so they've replaced this with new resin ones. And down the road, the other poles have been replaced as well, cross arms.